Hello and welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome all the same. Today we're diving into Peter is Here, AI for Cultural Heritage, an immersive Minecraft world published by Minecraft Education and developed by Shapescape, where students step into the role of a real San Pietrini, the Vatican's restoration artisans, and use AI tools to preserve St. Peter's Basilica. The gameplay consists of two distinct modes, Restoration Mode and Exploration Mode. In Restoration Mode, students use simulated AI devices like the AI Block Scanner and AI Block Retriever to inspect and repair architectural and artistic elements, such as the obelisk on St. Peter's Square, St. Peter's Tomb, one of the columns of the Rotunda, and Bernini's Baldachin, which is a fancy word for a canopy. Students get to analyze and document damaged sections in the current-day basilica, after which they use an AI-powered virtual reality headset to display what the basilica looked like when that section was constructed. There, they can use their tools to copy the original blocks and bring them back to the modern-day basilica. Once the restoration missions are done, students switch into exploration mode. They freely roam the basilica and its grottos, finding history-rich collectibles, learning about the Vatican's huge art collection, and chatting with NPCs modeled after Vatican's artisans and artists like Michelangelo and Bernini. This Minecraft experience comes with a full lesson plan, student worksheets, PowerPoint guides, and a certificate of completion, designed for a 45 to 60 minute class session. After gameplay, students reflect, document insights using the book and quill, and connect this digital mission to bigger questions like, how do AI and teamwork contribute to cultural heritage? It's built for ages 8 to 18, and if you're an educator, you can download Peter is Here from the Minecraft Education Lesson Library today. Try the world, explore the resources, and empower your students to become digital conservators of history. Oh, and while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with your thoughts on this Minecraft Education world. Bye bye, and talk to you soon.